everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton from Create with Cheryl, and today I'm excited to show you my October creative card class. And this is going to center around a set called Ornamental Christmas, and it's in the online exclusives, so I'm not sure if you've seen it, but here's a stamp set. I'll show you the bundles. So there's this stamp set that coordinates with this bundle that has a bunch of ornaments in it. See, mainly the tree, star, and this ornament. There's a lot of different things you can do with this. So what you're going to get if you order this kit is you'll get all the things to make all the, cards that are cut and scored and everything for you for 4 different cards. So here's one of them. Okay, it's just these pretty trees and lots of gold and black and white in this set. The second one is really pretty, some red and gold and white. And there's that pretty ornament. And then we get this fun card that actually uses these big gold rings. And I've cut this out, made a 3D ornament that if you make the card, you're going to be able to tell the people who receive it that they can just pull this, pull this up. It's just attached by a glue dot under here, and they'll have a cute little ornament to hang on the tree. And last card is my favorite. It's so cool. It's like a pop-up. Can't remember what I called it, but this, look at this. Isn't this neat? Here's the way it folds, and it does flow flat and stay in a regular envelope, but I just really like this pop out card. And again, all the gold, black, and white. It's so pretty. So this will be all cut just like you need it, scored, and in your kit. Now, if you purchase the whole kit, it's $48. It does include all those things, the PDFs for the cards, and it also includes $25 worth of supplies extra. And what I'm including this month is this, there's some baker's twine, and you've got a black and gold and white. So both of these, and I guess I should pull them out so you can see them better. There you go. And you're going to get a half a package of large gold hoops. Now these things are, so you'll get 5 of these to play around with, and you'll see how to make the ornaments with these. You are going to receive a 1/4 pack of gold foil sheets, and then a 1/4 pack of this beautiful designer series paper. It's called Modern Christmas, and I've chopped it all up, so let me see if I can show you most of it. Okay, so it has this pretty paper. Here's a different one. The gold is so pretty in here. I really like the side that says fa la la, and little wavy things. Pretty trees and polka dots. Here's the gold one, and turned it over in a black plaid thing. What did I miss? See, it's getting more and more chopped up. Here, this is a really pretty thing. Can you see the gold a little bit? And okay, here's Christmas trees, and the back is some pretty black and gold stars. Okay, so I also will have a PDF for sale for $15. You need to get this by, this is the October kit, so you need to order it by October 10th to get it, and it'll be mailed out on the 20th or by the 20th. and shipping's included. Oh, and the bundle, the stamp and die sets are not included because these together will be over $50. So you need to have purchased this on your own if you're a demonstrator, or get it from your own demonstrator, or you can purchase it from me. And I think that's it. So I hope you guys give it a try. These are really fun cards and a pretty set. So thanks again for listening and being my customers. I appreciate all of you. Okay, have a great day. Aloha.